When you add your most used folders directly to the taskbar, accessing them becomes quick and effortless. In this video, I'll show you how to pin any folder to the taskbar in Windows 10. To do that, first navigate to the folder you want to pin. So this is the folder I want to add to the taskbar. Right-click on the folder and select Properties. Open Security tab, then copy full address of this folder. Right-click on an empty area, such as your desktop, click New, and then choose Shortcut. A small window will pop up asking for the item's location. Type Explorer, followed by a space, then paste folder address you just copied, and click Next. Give your shortcut a name if you'd like, then click on Finish. Shortcut will now appear on your desktop. To make it look more appealing, you can change this shortcut icon. To do that, right-click on Shortcut and select Properties. In Properties window, click on Change Icon button. If you only see a few icons, click Browse. Head to your C drive, open Windows folder, then go into System 32 folder. From here, search for Images, select images.dll file, and click Open. You'll now have a much wider range of icons to choose from. Browse through available icons, pick the one that best represents your folder, and click OK. Click Apply, and then click OK. As you can see, new icon has now been applied to the shortcut. Now, simply drag the shortcut to the taskbar, and your folder is successfully pinned. You can delete this shortcut from your desktop if you no longer need it. From this point, a single click on the taskbar icon will instantly open that folder, making your workflow quicker and more convenient every time you use your PC. If you'd like to change this taskbar shortcut icon, right-click on Taskbar, then right-click on Shortcut Name and select Properties. Choose a different icon to represent your folder, then click OK. Click Apply, and then click OK. In this case, right-click on Taskbar and open Task Manager. Find File Explorer in the list, right-click on it, and select Restart. After that, your taskbar icon will be updated to reflect the new icon you've set. So that's how you can pin any folder to the taskbar on Windows 10. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.